Hi there, I am going to be opening my new boots. I've been looking for some boots for a few months now. Initially I was going to buy motorcycle trainers slash shoes type, but some of the reviews I looked at, they looked very flimsy, the toes were bending, and I thought I'd better get the proper protection and it would be better, more safe. So what I done, I browsed the internet, and I think that the nicest ones I could see was a boot called the Roadster 2. I'm taking it there must be a Roadster 1 if there's a Roadster 2. These came vintage brown for £109.78 from the sportsbikeshop.co.uk. I'm not associated with a sports bike shop, I'm just letting you know that these look a very nice boot. The reviews were good. So my package just arrived here from DPD, and let's see what we got. Okay, RST Roadster 2 boot. Now, I am normally a size 9 in a trainer or a shoe. I've ordered them size 10. A couple of people says they were slightly smaller, so if you're a 10 order 11, if you're a 9 order a 10 exception. It might be worth your while. That way you can wear thicker socks if they're slightly bigger. I like a thinner sock. So this is them, let's see what we've got. Excuse the filming. Right, let's see. Make some space. Okay, waterproof RST. And this is a label here. Roadster. CE approved, men's waterproof boots. Size 10. Euro size 44. As I say, I'm normally a 9, so I thought I'd go for a 10. There we go. Nice box. Designed in the United Kingdom, RST, ridden around the world. Looks good. Even the box feels quality. Yeah, it's proper. Nicely packaged. Even the smell is good. The smell of new boots. Okay, I'll do this with one hand here, I'm filming. Let's see. Okay, excuse the filming, as I said, I'll do it with one hand. And here we go. Try and get some light here on the subject. Yeah, I mean that is a nice boot. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 eyelets. High, they're not like the ankle boots, they're a bit higher than that. They've got the toe pad here. They're very firm. They're not like steel toe cap, but they're obviously reinforced on the toe. The heel as well, it's firm at the heel. You got pull-on straps here. On the tongue it says RST. They are more safer than the training shoe type things for motorcycles. I just felt it more safer to get some proper boots. I really like these. These are proper boots for £109.98. You can't go wrong for these. As I say, even the box is quality. We've got stitching round about, like an orange brownie type line around the sole edging. The stitching is slightly orange as well, which is a good colour. It's better than the white stitching. These boots are perfect, absolutely perfect. Yeah, and I've got all the sizes in here as well, yeah. I've got a tag here to hold the laces as well. The laces are quality, not cheap. Yeah, so let's see if we can slap one on. Excuse the camera. I've got my motorcycle jeans on to see how they go. I won't lace them up just now, but as I say, I'm normally a 9, these are a size 10. I've got thinner socks on and they feel perfect because it's warmer outside now. It's like the summertime. We're in May here in Scotland and the weather's good, so I've not got thick socks on, but they feel absolutely perfect. They look the part with jeans. Motorcycle jeans with the protective knee pads. I mean, how good do they look? Hats off to RST. These are the best looking boots that I've seen. They're comfortable right out the box. You can't fault these. As I say, this is the RST Roadster 2. Size 10, and I'm looking forward to putting my motorcycle gear on and going for a ride. I'm so pleased that I didn't get the trainers and I stuck to these. I've got other motorcycle boots, big black ones. They look like a bit like a Wellington boot. They're solid, they're like concrete boots. I wanted something a bit more trendy and a bit of style and comfort. So I'm glad I opted for them. Great price, 109 quid, delivered to the door. And sportsbikeshop.co.uk have delivered these to my door within 48 hours. So thank you, and stay safe guys.